My Her Soundbox by Jane Balk McCure. Illustrator Rebecca Thornburg. Her. Trace her. Cursive her. Little Her had a box. I will find things that begin with my H sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. He found some hats. He put a hat on his head. Did he put the other hats into the box? He did. Little Her found a hen. Hello, he said. I need a hen for my sound box. He put the hen into the box with the hats. Then he found a hog. Did he put the hog into the box with the hen and the hats? He did. Little Her found a horse. He was happy. He hopped on the horse. He rode the horse up a high hill. I want to go higher, said Little Her. But the horse could not go higher. They were on top of the hill. So Little Her put the horse into the box with the hats, the hen, and the hog. Then he found a helicopter. Now I can go very high, he said, higher than a hill. The helicopter went so high that the hen, the hog, and the horse cried, "Help! Help!" So Little Her put the helicopter into the box. Now the box was heavy. Little Her put it on his head. He did not see the hole. He hopped into the hole. "Help! Help!" "How can we get out of this hole?" asked the hen, the hog, and the horse. Little Her had a horn. "I will blow my horn," he said. He blew the horn. A hippopotamus heard the horn. He helped them out of the hole. "Hooray for the hippo!" everyone hollered. "How can I thank you for helping us out of the hole?" asked the Little Her. "You can take me for a ride in the helicopter," said the hippopotamus. So Little Her took the helicopter out of the box. He and all the animals went for a ride. They flew over a highway, over a hill, and all the way home. There, Little Her spread out his things. My, how many he had! Little Her's word list: hat, head, helicopter, hen, highway, hill, hippopotamus, hippo, hog, hole, home, horn, horse. Other words with little h. Hair, hamburger, hammer, hand, harp, heart, hive, honey, hood, hospital, hot dog, hummingbird.